What's up, flooring friends? Here's a little quick guide on the do's and don'ts with your new LVP flooring. Do clean up all spills and messes immediately after they have happened. Don't use any harsh chemicals while cleaning your floors. Instead, use something provided by the manufacturer or a nice neutral pH cleaner. Do install floor protectors on all of your furniture. Don't steam mop when cleaning your floors. It could damage it with excess moisture, so just go ahead and get rid of those. Do sweep your floors prior to vacuuming or mopping to prevent any scratches. Don't dump a bunch of water and drown your floors while mopping. Do have doormats in front of all doorways to prevent dirt from tracking inside your home. Don't ignore the warranty and maintenance guides provided by the manufacturer. These are great tools to have after installing brand new floors. And of course, do buy your LVP floors from West Coast Flooring. We're happy to help. Have a great week, guys. Bye.